Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, if you guys can see right here, I have a really cool product right here by the brand TORRAS, TORRAS. And you guys remember I actually reviewed many products from this brand, such as like chargers, wireless chargers, car chargers, cases, and then now we have screen protectors. I actually never bought screen protectors from this brand before, so I want to give it a try and see how it is and everything. And when I first got the package, I was like, wait, did I order something wrong? And let me open up and show you guys the reason why. So when you first open the package, this is what they provide you inside. So this is what they have for you. That is simply amazing already by itself. So they provide you this little accessory so you can actually put on your screen protector correctly, so that way you won't get any bubbles on the screen, which is really nice. And then right here we have a little display thingy. So what you would use this for is to put it onto your iPhone 11 Pro, and then you guys can actually make sure you guys put the screen protector correctly so that way it won't be off edge or something. And then we guys open this compartment right here. They provide you some installation guides right here, a thank you card right here, and then they provide you two of these screen protectors in here. And what they provide in each one of these is the actual screen protector right here, and then here are the accessories like the wipes, the dust remover, the stickers, the wet wipes. All that is in here, and you guys can see in the packaging, it's actually really nice. So this is actually a really good quality product overall so far. And then let's take a look at the screen protector right here. So this is what the screen protector looks like, if you guys can see. Very high quality like protection for the glass, so that way it won't break when it delivered to you, which is really nice. And then I actually have it all set up already to show you what the screen protector looks like. So I'm not sure if you guys can see or not, but that's pretty much what the screen protector looks like right here. So I actually have it on right now, and it covers the whole entire screen. There are some bubbles on here, but I don't think it's a problem of the screen protector. It's just the way I put it. I didn't clean it correctly or whatever, so that's definitely on my part. I really like the accessories that they provide you, like this thing right here. So all you have to do is just clip it on like this onto all four different corners, and then once you guys do that, you guys can put the screen protector on top, so that way it'll fit perfectly, and then you can use the scraper to actually scrape it on, so that way you guys would know that it's put on correctly. So all you have to do is put it on, and then bam, just go down like that. And you guys need to scrape it a couple of times, feel free to do that, and then you guys are pretty much all set. And the fact that they brought you two of the screen protectors is really nice as well, so that way if you guys damage one, you guys have a backup in case, which is really nice. So now we show you guys the test of the product and all explain everything that comes inside the package. Now to talk about whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product, with all the cases, tools, and everything, costs around $20. So essentially that's $10 for one screen protector, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? For me, honestly, I have to say that's worth it, because you're paying for a higher quality glass, higher quality accessory, so you're getting that full experience. But if you guys are more on a budget side and you guys don't have that money to spend, then definitely go for a cheaper option if you guys want to. But for me, honestly, I have to say that everything that you get in this package is really nice. It's really easy to set up and everything, really easy to use. So I'm willing to spend a few extra dollars to get a better screen protector and an easier kind of like tool to actually set up easier, which is really nice. For me, honestly, sometimes when I put on cases or the screen protector, I don't put it on correctly, or it's actually off a little bit. But having these two to set up is much easier, and that way you guys won't mess up as easy. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day, we have